Betelgeuse or insect juice is a red monster star. It would extend all the way to Jupiter's orbit if you put it where the Sun is. It is massive, unstable, and about to burst. With more energy produced than 1 billion suns, these explosions are among the largest ever observed in the universe. Red supergiant star Betelgeuse is significantly larger and more massive than our Sun. Betelgeuse, on the other hand, has been acting strangely lately. It is significantly dimming and has even begun to violently vibrate. As a result, it has been hypothesized that this once bright star is on the verge of going supernova. But what if something even more terrifying is taking place around us? What happens if Betelgeuse doesn't explode but instead collapses in on itself? Join us as we investigate the most recent Betelgeuse research and the potential implications it may have for our planet. We want to learn how Betelgeuse's demise could have profound effects on the universe's future through this journey. Betelgeuse is a huge star that is one of the biggest stars in the universe. It is 950 times bigger than our Sun. Be that as it may, its size accompanies an expense. Betelgeuse is one of those stars whose lifespans are limited. It is a ticking time bomb that is about to explode, but when exactly it will happen is unknown. Betelgeuse, which is just 650 light-years away and shines as one of our closest stars, has captivated astronomers. We try to decipher the mysteries concealed within its fiery depths as we marvel at its brilliance. Even though we can only see 13.3% of its radiant energy, if we could see all of it, it would shine brighter than Sirius and be the brightest star in our night sky. Imagine a massive star that extends beyond the asteroid belt and nearly touches Jupiter. Its radius is 764 times that of our Sun. Earth, Mars, Mercury, and Venus would all be devoured by Betelgeuse's irresistible cosmic allure within this vast realm. However, the enigmas do not end there. Consistently, Betelgeuse sheds a sun-based mass, pushing off its divine leftover in a sublime showcase of heavenly vain behaviors. Betelgeuse is enveloped by a nebula that is 250 times larger than the star itself. This ethereal haze captivates our attention. We are drawn into a cosmic dance of wonder by this nebula, which spans 30 astronomical units, and it begs us to discover its secrets. Let's go deeper into Betelgeuse's creation, where hydrogen fusion alchemy explodes, releasing helium in a cosmic explosion. A celestial metamorphosis takes place as the star's hydrogen fuel decreases over time. The combination of helium and carbon produces a radiance that spreads throughout the universe. However, there are limits to even this grand fusion. A stunning transformation occurs when neon and iron combine. Betelgeuse is pushed toward an awe-inspiring and cataclysmic fate, a supernova explosion by the star's gravity, unleashed by the absence of energy release. Betelgeuse is no exception to the rule that supernovae hold supremacy in the realm of cosmic phenomena. This enormous celestial object unleashes a force that resonates throughout the universe and has the power of 10 billion suns, leaving us in awe of its unimaginable power. Stars go through a mesmerizing transformation as they age, moving from the vibrant blues of youth to the ferocious reds of maturity. Chinese astronomers noticed Betelgeuse's distinctive yellow color, which distinguished it from the celestial tapestry, in the 2nd century BC. In the middle of the 2nd century AD, Greco-Roman astronomer Ptolemy took over the responsibility of observation as the centuries progressed. He meticulously recorded that Betelgeuse had an orangish or ruddy appearance, which continues to pique our interest to this day. The mystery surrounding Betelgeuse is heightened by this uniform coloration across various civilizations, including medieval observers in the Middle East. As we learn more about Betelgeuse's mysterious behavior, the story takes yet another unexpected turn. When it suddenly decreased in brightness in 2019, the star caught scientists off guard. We couldn't see the star because of a huge cloud of dust that had been released from its surface, according to scientists. However, the cloud's origin is still a mystery. Some researchers believe that the star's surface may have been disturbed or even sucked in by a large object like a planet. Betelgeuse has increased in brightness by almost 50% in the past few months, which is unusual considering that stars typically dim as they age. Scientists are aware that star brightness can change for a variety of reasons, but they are unsure what caused the sudden increase. Some stars, for instance, cycle through bright and dim phases. Because it fluctuates in brightness, expanding and contracting on a regular basis, the star Mira is referred to as the star of wonder. This alters the amount of light that it emits. This is a typical event with many stars, including Algol and around 30 different stars that should be visible in the night sky without a telescope. A seismic shift was taking place in the center of Betelgeuse. The removal of burning material sent off into space made an ethereal residue haze of eminent extents. Betelgeuse's bright light was obscured by this celestial dust cloak, reducing it to a muted star in the night sky instead of a bright beacon. Betelgeuse's brightness dropped to unimaginable levels. It used to be one of the 10 brightest stars, but now it is less than the 20th brightest. Betelgeuse defied all expectations and the norms of stellar behavior in recent months. This mesmerizing cosmic dance has captivated scientists and astronomers worldwide. Betelgeuse's extraordinary behavior has sparked a plethora of theories attempting to decipher its mystery. Its dramatic fluctuations are attributed, according to some, to massive sunspots or dust clouds, while other people consider the possibility of overlapping cycles. The amazing idea that Betelgeuse's supernova explosion has already taken place is exposed by their research. Yes, that is what I said. The evidence now suggests a different story, despite conservative estimates predicting a supernova event hundreds of thousands of years away. Kepler's supernova, the last supernova that was observed in our galaxy, lit up the sky centuries ago. Betelgeuse may be on the verge of a spectacular explosion, according to a model proposed by researchers, which suggests that it is in the final stage of carbon burning. This positions it as a solid competitor for the following expected cosmic explosion occasion in our smooth manner world. Betelgeuse is a strong contender for the next stellar supernova in our beloved Milky Way galaxy, like a grand finale in a cosmic symphony. Understanding Betelgeuse, on the other hand, is like solving a puzzle with contradictory observations. Although smaller in scale than our Sun, there are signs of material ejections and recovery, suggesting a mass ejection event. The twist, however, is that supernovae are also real phenomena. In 1987, we saw one in a Milky Way satellite galaxy. Therefore, it is not yet too soon to plan a vacation around our estimates for the timing of Betelgeuse's explosion. Betelgeuse observation is currently difficult, which presents a challenge. Betelgeuse has been studied by scientists for centuries, and they've found that its brightness has changed over time. This indicates that the star is getting older and may soon go supernova. However, there is insufficient evidence to predict when this will occur. A cosmic explosion is an extremely splendid blast that happens when a star kicks the bucket. It is safe to observe from Earth with the naked eye and poses no threat to life on Earth. The size of the star that explodes determines how bright a supernova is. As a massive star, Betelgeuse's supernova would be extremely bright. It would be visible during the day and about as bright as a half moon. Astronomers would also be challenged by a supernova's brightness. Astronomers would have a difficult time studying the night sky because the supernova's brightness would make it difficult to see other stars and planets. One possibility is that Betelgeuse has previously swallowed a large object, like another star. The star's evolution could have been sped up and its likelihood of going supernova increased as a result. Betelgeuse's brightness cycles have been the subject of a new study. The paper found that the main cycle for Betelgeuse's pulsations may be the longest period, which lasts 2,200 days. The star's brightness could change significantly in the future if this is the case. This is still a speculation, and more examination is expected to affirm it. Nevertheless, it is an exciting development that may aid in our comprehension of Betelgeuse and its future. Generally speaking, the splendor of a cosmic explosion would a blended favor. Astronomers and animals would face challenges, but it would also be a beautiful and exciting event. Betelgeuse's unique opportunity, in addition to its supernova potential, is what makes it an astronomical treasure. We have the privilege of capturing its essence in breathtaking detail thanks to this enormous star's remarkable size and proximity. Betelgeuse, in contrast to far-off glinting points of light, appears as a brilliant disk when viewed through our telescopes. As it teases us with its hidden secrets, it invites us to witness its luminous variations and grasp the subtle dance of its light. However, the supernova display will not vanish immediately, which is where things get even more fascinating. Despite the fact that its power will disappear, Betelgeuse's blast will stay noticeable for about a year. Imagine gazing up into the sky while being aware that you are witnessing a celestial event that will reverberate throughout time. We can bask in the knowledge that the universe's most spectacular fireworks display may be just around the corner, despite the elusive timing.